Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's shift to the gold market. Gold market also carries a lot of interesting moments. Since some risk aversion has come on the equity markets, the gold market starts to show some upward action. And in fact, although the overall here price action was bearish, and you can see this was a really significant plunge down, currently I don't think that we should take short position, because first of all, we have two bullish stop grabbers side by side, and the target of these patrons, as I said, it's a bit maybe curious, will be curious sounding, but the target is right here. This stop is around 1423 area that market should take out by these patrons. That is theoretical foundation of this patron. Whether price reach this area or not, it's very difficult to say currently, but that is the bullish patrons. We have the bullish trend here that holds, and market has stopped the downward action right at weekly pivot support 1. So I think that to start speak about bearish action again, about the bearish sentiment, bearish trend, we need to see the breakout of these lows in the raising of these bullish patrons. Until that will happen, it's very difficult to somehow justify the short entry on the daily time frame. Even more, since this action to the upside is not just a technical retracement, that is based on some uncertainty on the equity markets that has the foundation in the indecision of the Bank of Japan, indecision of the Federal Reserve concerning the further stimulus of the stimulus programs, of the money inflow, significant liquidity inflow in the financial markets. That has led to the mass closing of the positions in equity markets and exit of investors from the risky assets, contraction the position of the United States dollar, and that really, this action really could continue. That's why with such short-term foundation impact, fundamental impact, we can't exclude that this action could be continued in the nearest perspective. As technical and as fundamentally, current situation looks bullish. It has some significant bullish foundation. That's why personally I don't want to take short position. Even technically we do not currently have any foundation for that. That's why I think that we should try to take the long position until market will not take it out of these lows and will not continue to move down. If this will happen, well, we will return back to the discussion of the possibility to enter short. Yesterday we said that with this pattern, with defining the support around this area, market could retest the weekly pivot point since it hasn't been tested yet. Besides, from the bearish perspective, it's normal to see that market has tested weekly pivot point and retested this natural support resistance line. We have talked about many times already, so you can see this was resistance, support, now it will become resistance again. And that has happened, so market has reached this area. On the 4-hour time frame, we have trend has shifted to the bullish side again. Market now is flirting with this resistance. That's also, by the way, you can see 1397, the 618 resistance of that move to the downside. On the hourly time frame, we see more interesting picture, since currently market, you can see that market has appreciated right to the 100% extension of the pattern A, B, C bottom. And take a look, this most recent swing to the upside is greater than the previous swing down. This could be the sign of the short-term reversal in the market. That often happens when the market forms higher swing to the upside than downside, so it breaks the consequence of the lower lows, lower highs, and that could be the sign of the short-term reversal on the market. Well, since market also accelerates right to the 100% extension by the single move up, very often after some retracement market continues right to the 1618 extension. One thing that we could await here is just some bounce down, some pullback, retracement down. And if this will happen, I like this level to take the long position because that will be the confidence support 1381, 1383. That will be the previous swing high. Okay, so that will be not bad area to search for the possibility to continuation at minimum to the 1397. But I can't exclude that, as I said, on the daily time frame market could return right to the previous highs around 1425 area. By this red circle, I marked the invalidation points of the stop grabbers on the daily time frame. That's the most recent stop grabber invalidation point. That's the first one. So they could be used as the potential areas for placing the stop orders below them. So if market will fail by a return right back, will show this really significant move that will erase all this action, and probably the bears are return, and we should be ready for the downward continuation. Until that will happen, until market will show the reasonable bounce down to this area, will hold there and continue move up, then we could bet on the long position with the possible further appreciation to the 1425 area. So that being said, since 4-hour time frame trend bullish, daily time frame bullish, we have the bullish fundamental factors for appreciation of the gold market, and we have two patterns side by side bullish stop grabbers on the daily time frame. I can't really find the reason now to take the short position. Maybe only scalpers could try to take short with this target around 1381, but that's a bit beyond the scope of our weekly research, since we mostly speak about the daily perspective. That's very short-term setup that could be used here. But for the positional traders who trade on the daily time frame, well, probably that's an area to watch for potential long entry on the gold market with the minimum target 1397, but the possible move to the 1425 area and taking out the previous highs on the daily time frame.